we go again.
Sunday. I'm actually on my way home from church. You see my snuggly bear is not back there. He actually had a horrible allergic reaction to Play-Doh. So it's one thing that we figured out that he's allergic to. So if you're invited to his birthday party, please don't bring Play-Doh. It's not a good idea. But he's okay. He's happy to be home and get spoiled by his Gigi. So I'm on my way to them, get him and try to enjoy the rest of the day. I won't be going to service tonight, so I can stay home and take care of him. So I'm really glad that I got to go this morning because service was amazing. It is so awesome to be a part of something that is so much bigger than yourself and be able to really enjoy it and feel like you're, you know, growing as an individual. And I love my church because my church is not your typical church. It's not just about being there. It's about being there, being a part, and knowing that you've got people there that have your back and that are going to treat you like a family. And it is truly a family environment, which makes me love it so much more. I can't imagine what my life would be without fullness of joy being a part of it. So I am so grateful to have found a ministry that understands me as a person and understands me as a Christian. So I am, man, church was just awesome. I wish y'all could have been there. I meant to get clips of it today, but I was so caught up in the service that I really did not do that. So I promise I will get you guys some clips next time, so maybe you can get a little bit of what I get on Sundays. So I'm gonna go. We're gonna have some Danny adventures today. So let's see what happens. So it's Sunday night. I'm being a very boring mommy and doing housework. Just getting some stuff done. It needs to be done for the week. Ironing clothes. I have to, for the mornings that I get up early and go to TJ Maxx, I get all Daniel's outfits ready for a couple of days so it's easier on my mom, who helps me and takes Daniel to school on the days that I have to go in early. And God, my laundry pile was starting to take over the entire house. So we were getting it all done and dishes washed and recipes pulled to make casseroles. You guys, I really am a completely boring mom, but I love being a mom, so I'll be boring all day. And now we're giving Daniel a bath. Who are you and what have you done with my little boy? Who are you?
Daniel, everything's gonna be alright. I love you and I miss you.
Yeah.
Everything's gonna be alright. Now I love you. And we're Kristen. Daniel, are you gonna feel better when you go to school? I'm gonna bring a toy and my Play-Doh. Okay. And I'm not gonna. I'm gonna say have a good day. for y'all. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you and good night. Okay.
Love you too.
I love you too.
Dan.
I love you too. Okay.
You say I miss you too.
I miss you too.
Why you keep getting embarrassed? Come back.
Get set.
Say go.
Really?
Say go.
Ready. Get set.
Say go.
Oh, you want me to say go?
Yeah.
Go!
Somebody go away. I'm gonna get out of the tunnel. And blue car, blue.
This race is really exhilarating. Are you on your phone? Are you on your phone? Is that your phone in your hand?
Yeah.
Thank you. And then
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. I don't hear the engines.
I did.
He said.
You started the engines?
Uh-huh.
You start the engines?
Say go.
Let's get ready to race. Go!
What's going down, guys? Happy Sunday. It is late. It's like almost 11 o'clock. And, hold on. Excuse me. It's almost 11 o'clock. Just got done editing the Friday and Saturday vlog. Up here watching the CTFXC. It's been a down day for your boy, man. These shadows, though. Do y'all see the shadow? The Bears lost today, so I'm not happy. But it's all good, though.
It's time to say good night.
Time.
Night.
Okay. Good night to everybody. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Lord. I thank you. The clock.
Maybe that should be the new clothes.
I'm down for that. What was that? You made up a song?
And not morning time. There goes a monster outside.
Maybe not. Did you
I
hear he
can't wait to
said?
watch this.
He said a ghost and
No,
a
I can't.
monster outside.
Huh?
He says, time to go to bed. Good night. It's a ghost and a monster outside.
Wow. Come on, buddy. Let's say goodnight.
Come on, sit up. Let's say the good night. We love each.
Each and every one of you.
Because I want to you love. You love.
Two fingers in the air.
You say two fingers in the air. He's asleep. He's pretending he's asleep. Two fingers in the
Two
air.
fingers in the air.
Two fingers in the air.
Peace.